Hey guys, how we doing today? It's Andrew Mixon down here at Primo RV. We're doing another Feature Friday on the 2020 Imagine 3170 BH. Obviously, we're sitting outside this beautiful outside kitchen. We do have your comfortable stovetop here with the wind guard. Great for cooking, additional storage, and we do have a large drink refrigerator out here to keep stuff cold and stop you from having to go in and out of the camper all day on these hot summer days. You do have a spray port access if you need to wash stuff out, pots and stuff in the backside of this camper as well. Now we're going to move on in the camper. We have the grab handle that helps. As we come in, the first thing we're going to notice is not very common to have the entertainment recliners in these bunkhouses, but they've realized over the past year or two that customers really do love these. Let me get in it real quick just to show you how comfortable you can get. Leaning all the way back, it's definitely nap approved. And obviously this table has been set down in the position of a sleeper sofa. What you would do is just take these, you put a sheet on there, and you're ready to go. Now moving into the bathroom, what I like about this bathroom, got your nice pocket doors that close. You actually have plenty of room to move around, change clothes and stuff like that. It's very easy access. Close off the bedroom door and keep everybody out. At the end of the night, a full 60 by 80 queen size bed. A lot of the competition is going to cut these beds a little bit shorter, so anybody over about 6 feet is going to be nice and comfortable in this bed. Hanging storage on both sides and some hidden storage on top, combined with nice deep storage underneath for pillows, extra sheets, stuff like that. Okay. Moving back into the camper now, we can see we have a large farmhouse steel sink. It actually has the cover on it. Closer to a residential, they're getting bigger and bigger every year, these ovens. I know in a couple of years previous, in a lot of manufacturers, they made those little tiny ovens. Now we're getting bigger. You don't have to get down there with a match anymore. Everything's start light. 6 cubic foot refrigerator. And the TV does swivel in case you were sleeping on the bunk right there. Plenty of extra hidden storage. And right here as well, they try and use as much as they can in these floor plans. Nice deep storage. Walking into the bunkhouse, we're going to be able to sleep 1, 2, possibly 3, 4, 5, 6 people in this bunkhouse. It's pretty wide and comfortable in here. There's a TV backer location. You can put a pretty large TV up there, close it off on a rainy day. The kids love it up here. And that about does it. Grand Design's a great floor plan. It's one of the best insulated campers that we do have on our lot. This is 50 amp service with 2 ACs. It's great for a summertime camper. It's great for a first-time camper. It's great for a veteran camper. Grand Design is one of the best companies that we sell here on the lot, and we're very proud to have this product on our line. Thank you. My name is Andrew from Primo RV.